Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or set additional cost for specific product category, and we are going to set additional cost for each product for specific product category using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress, and we are going to add additional cost in total shipping price, and we are going to display in cart, checkout page, edit order, and my account order section also. So we are in cart page, and then you see we have three product: book, digital virtual, movie downloadable product is from digital product, and this is from another product category. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Then in custom code you see specific category select digital product. Now go to product category page. So this is a digital product, and we are going to add this slug. So you can add your product category slug in custom code. So we added this, and then we are going to add product ID. Now you see 5180 5129 45180 product ID. We are going to set price $5. Now you see, and then for 5129 product ID we are going to set price $10. So you can set price and product ID according to requirement for this product category slug. Now go to digital product page. So we have two product. Now go to edit product. Now you see ID 5180 and 5129. We added in custom code and we set price. And then you see text additional delivery cost, and we are going to display additional delivery cost for product name. And then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see subtotal 60, shipping flat rate 90, and then you see additional delivery cost for book digital virtual $10, additional delivery cost for movie downloadable product $5, total $165, and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are going to place order. So we are in checkout page. Again you see, and then select payment method, enable this option, and then click on place order. Now you see order received done, and then you see additional delivery cost for both product for same category, and this also display in edit order page, my account order page, and also display in emails. Now go to my account order page. Again on order page, now you see. Now go to edit order page. Again you see additional cost, you see price. Now go to Gmail to check. So we are in Gmail now, and in order now you see additional delivery cost for product. Again you see additional delivery cost for this product $10, $5, total $165. So in this way you can add additional cost for specific product category for multiple product and display in my account order page, edit order page, also in emails. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.